So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to share your how to download your document as a Word document here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and just my wonderful document right here, you want to download this as a Word document. It's pretty straightforward. Go to the top left, press File, then go down to where it says Download. Then go ahead to where it says Microsoft Word. Go ahead and select that, choose where you want to save it to, and then you can download your document, in this case to a Word document. So, for example, if you wanted to work on this maybe on your phone and you wanted to transfer over and then you want to download this afterwards, this is a pretty good way to do it. Or just if you're in school, maybe, or whatever the case may be, if you wanted to turn this beautiful document to a Word document, go to the top left, press File, Download, and then Word document right there. So, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can download this. Document as a Word document here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.